I've got the February Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside, feels kind of light this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit and Chloe are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So I have the Allure Beauty Box. It's usually heavy. This month it's a little light, but they usually wow us. So let's get a look at what's inside. Now this is a monthly beauty box put out by the makers of Allure magazine. And what you find is items that the editors are reviewing and saying, like, these are some of our favorites and here's why we love them. A little pink paper this month for February. So we do have a little product guide. Now they also have the GQ box, and on the back there is a little ad for their fragrance box and their GQ fragrance box. And you know, I love fragrance boxes. So I don't know. Usually it has white paper, but this month there is pink tissue wrap. All right, and there is your little sneak peek. Now I think there might have been a choice item this month. If not, it's next month. I don't recall. Yes, it was this month. All right, so the first item is your choice item, and this is by Merit Beauty. And it is their Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oil in Bel Air, Au Natural, Pink Beach, or Jetty. And I chose, I don't remember which one I chose. I chose Au Natural. Maybe I missed a choice because I don't feel like I would have chosen. Oh no, okay. There we go. All right, there's how it looks. And this is a $24 value, so already we've made up the price of the box. Now in this, you are going to get some full size and some deluxe samples, but they're always going to be nice size samples. Next, by Skin Inc., we have a Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. And this is an overnight mask, so it's a cream that you put on that's just like ultra rich. And here is how it looks. This is full size, and it is a, how much does that say? Hold on. $85 for this right here. $85 value. This is why I love subscription boxes though. So it's a clear gel mask. It says it feels cooling to the touch and soothing. And let's see, it has hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It's incredibly hydrating. And you just need a very thin coat. You can let it sit for 30 minutes and wash it off, or you let it sit overnight. That's usually what I do with these types of things. Next, by Olaplex, we have their number 6 Bond Smoother. This is obviously a deluxe sample. The full size of 100 milliliters is $30, and this is 20 milliliters. So it's about a fifth. And it says, when indoor heat makes hair more prone to dryness and flyaways, this leave-in treatment steps in. It smooths, frizz, and hydrates all hair types and helps define curls and waves in one easy step. And you're going to put this in damp hair and just leave it in. It says it won't weigh your hair down. And then we also have the number 9. And again, this is 20 milliliters. It is $30 for a 90 milliliter. This is the Bond Protecting Nourishing Hair Serum. And it says the same thing. Well, it says high temps from blow dryers and flat irons can damage hair, causing a host of issues: frizz, flyaways, split ends, dullness in the long run. This light serum is one heat protectant that you'll actually look forward to using because it makes your hair shinier while it works. Okay. Next, we have the Mega Babe Glow Deo, Rosy Pits, or Smoothie Deo. And so those are different scents, and this is a deodorant. That looks to be full size. I got the Glow Deo with Mega Bright Complex, and it is a $14 value. And they randomly chose the scent for you. It's kind of minty. I was not expecting that. All right, I currently use Lume, so I'll probably give it a try though. And then last, by 3 ships, we have their Beauty Dewdrops. This is a mushroom and kakadu plum hyaluronic acid serum. This is 7 milliliters. The full size of 30 milliliters sells for $37. And that is our Allure Beauty Box. So I always feel like this is very value driven. You're definitely getting your money's worth in here. You know, you're getting those full size, and we did get 3 full size and then 3 samples, but they are nice size samples and great products too. So I feel like this is a very value driven box, and I always enjoy it. So let me know your thoughts though. Is Allure a beauty box that you get? Do you look forward to getting it each month? Is this something that's maybe on your list? Maybe one day you'd like to. It is in the $20-ish range. I think like 21 or something like that. I'm not 100% sure because I do get it for the year. So I get a discount. And I don't know if they've raised their prices because I'm still on last year's plan. So I'll find that out when they renew me. But I do really love this. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. They're totally free, but it means so much to us. And leave a comment down below. Show us a little love, and hopefully we'll see you soon.